Welcome to Now You Can Cook. Today we're going to make easy Mediterranean rice in 20 minutes. The tools you will need are one measuring cup, one rice cooker, one serving spoon, and a plate to rest your spoon on. The ingredients you will be needing are 1 cup of jasmine rice, white or brown or mixed. Mine is mixed. 1 and 1/2 cups of chicken broth, and finally 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We will begin by adding 1 cup of rice to the rice cooker. To that we shall add 1 and 1/2 cups of chicken broth. Next, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Put the lid on the rice cooker, plug it in, and turn it on. Wait for the rice cooker to finish cooking. And there you have it, folks. Beautiful Mediterranean rice in about 20 minutes. Now you can cook easy Mediterranean rice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.